Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to change your email address on OLX account. So first we're going to go to the OLX app. Then once you're here, going to click on the .com button found at the lower right corner. Then next you're going to click on the pencil button right under your name. So as you can see right under the email section, you're going to write a different email now since we're changing our email. Then once you're done, you're going to click on save. So next they're going to send you a verification code via your new email. So you're going to insert that new code. Then click on submit. So as you can see, we've changed our email as well as verified it. So that's how you do it. It's an easy tutorial. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.